Ladies and gentlemen, two lovebirds making love. Yes, it is. Two love. Oh yes, get it, boy, get it. Oh, get it. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Yes, yes. Oh, oh. Wow, bro. Wow.
They don't care either. Wow, that's funny.
Wow, he ain't no minute man neither, huh?
Look at
And she's got her wings all spread open and shit like, oh yes, honey, yes. I love you, I love you. Yes, I'll cook, yes, I'll cook, baby, I'll cook, I swear I'll cook. I'll clean, yes, I'll clean too.
That's funny. He's still going too. He's getting his. Where'd you put this thing? Gee.
And I like how he switches positions too though.
And she's gotta hold him up. That's horrible. They're still going out. They're grabbing into her back.
Pulling her feathers. The flapping of the wings. What's going on, buddy? What's going on? Oh, he's done. That's what it was. Yeah.
And she's like,
And
oh
she's,
yeah.
look, ladies and gentlemen, she cleans herself up afterwards. He is not a minute man. He is a 2 minute. Actually, a little bit longer than that because it took me a while to get the camera on and start recording. So he's about a 3 minute man.
How long they were fucking before we got him.
He's about a 3 to 5 minute man for sure.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good for lovebirds.